Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, it's your English lesson. I am Miss Nimra Rani, SS English at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. As you know, your session of online classes is going on, so you have to take interest. Now, let's start our today's topic, and the topic is degree of comparison of adjectives. So, the objectives are by the end of this lesson, listeners will be able to identify adjectives, its degree of comparison, solve worksheet. And the contents are chapter number 9 Adjectives Comparison. First thing is adjective and its degrees. Adjective have 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And the second thing is type of comparative form. As you have already read about adjectives, that adjectives are the word that describe a noun. Adjectives are the word that describe a person, place, thing, or an event. So adjectives are also used to compare a thing to another thing, person, places, animals, and events. When we compare the quality or quantity of two or more things or persons with the help of an adjective, the comparison is of one of the following 5 types. It means when we compare the quality or quantity of something, we have to face 5 phases. First one is at a higher level. It means when we are comparing something or some person or place, we show the higher level. Sadia is taller than Saim. In this example, Sadia is taller than Saim. Here is comparison of two personalities of two nouns, and the adjective is used taller because here is a comparison of two things, that's why we are using than. At a lower level, Saim is shorter than Sadia. It means Saim's height is not as tall as Sadia's. At the same level, Atika is as tall as Maria. It means both girls have the same height. At the highest level, Seema is the tallest among all the students. It means we are comparing Seema with all the students. So she is the tallest among them. At the lowest level, Parveen is the shortest among all the students. It means Parveen is the shortest and Seema is the tallest. So here we have compared the highest and lowest level of adjectives. Adjectives have the following 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So here is a table. In this table we have 3 columns. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. And the first word is good. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Happy, happier, happiest. Important, more important, most important. Dangerous, less dangerous, and least dangerous. Dear students, here is one thing that is most important to be noted. If we have a word with single syllable, then we add er or st. But if we have double syllables or more than 2 syllables, then we use more, most, less, or least. For example, we have important. Here we have 3 syllables: important. That's why we are using more important and most important. If we are having 2 syllables, then we use er or est. For example, happy, happy, happier, happiest. Now let's start. What is positive degree? Positive degree of comparison is used to state the quality of a person or a thing without comparing it with other persons or things at the same level. It means at the same level we are not comparing the things or persons with anyone. That's why the form of adjective is not changed. For example, this coat is too long. Your watch is expensive. Ahmed is a young boy. Here we have long, expensive, and young as a positive adjective. In these examples, we are not comparing the noun with any other thing. So that's why it is called positive degree. Second one is comparative degree. The comparative degree of comparison is used when two persons or things are being compared. It means in comparative degree, as the name shows, comparative. It means here we are making comparison of two persons or two things. In this way, it expresses that the quality is present to a greater or lesser degree in one of the two persons or things being compared. It means one is having the most and one is having the less. In simple words, it is used for unequal comparison between the quality or quantity of two things or persons. So, it is used to make comparison at the higher level or at a lower level. And we use than for making comparison. For example, the Eiffel Tower is taller than the Minare-Pakistan. Here we are making comparison of the height. The Indus River is shorter than the Nile. Here we are making comparison at a lower level. So we have the adjective short, and in example number 1 we have the adjective tall, because Minare-Pakistan and Eiffel Tower are two different things, and one thing is considered as superior and the other is considered as inferior. And third one is superlative degree. As the name shows, super, it means it is the best thing. So here we have to compare the things with two or more than two persons or things. So the superlative degree of comparison is used in comparing three or more persons or things. It expresses that quality is possessed to the greater or least degree by one of the persons or things included in the comparison. In other words, it is used when one thing or person is singled out in a comparison that involves several things or persons. It means that the thing or person which is going to be compared is the greatest among all the things or among all the persons. Its comparison is made at the highest level or lowest level. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Here we are making comparison at the highest level because Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the whole world. So Burj Khalifa is pointed out, is singled out. It is hook-nosed bat is the smallest mammal in the world. Here we are making comparison at the lowest level because hook-nosed bat is the smallest animal in the world. In this lesson we have learned about degrees and its comparison. We have learned about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Keeping in mind all the formation of these degrees, you have to solve the worksheet. Here is the worksheet. Question number 1. Complete the table with the positive, comparative and superlative forms of the adjective. In this table you have 3 columns: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And some degrees are written in positive column and some are written in comparative and some are written in superlative degree. So you have to fill this table according to the previous table, keeping in mind all the rules and regulations of the comparative and superlative degree. In column number 1, in positive degree you have a hot, but in second column the space is blank. So keeping in mind the formation of comparative degree, you have to fill this column, and in third column you have a superlative degree that is mentioned. In the same way, in second column you have blank space in positive degree, but you have a hint in comparative degree, and you have to complete the third column keeping in mind what you have to put in the superlative degree. In this way, you have 7 columns. So keeping in mind all the rules, fill these blank places carefully. You have a word hot, hottest, smaller, brightest, faithful, more faithful, most intelligent, precious, least precious, less generous. In question number 2, you have to tick the comparative or superlative form of the adjectives that completes each sentence. It means you have 2 degrees, that is comparative and superlative degree. Keeping in mind all the formation of comparative and superlative degree, you have to tick the correct answer. In first statement you have I have a dash problem than you, and the adjectives are bigger or biggest. Second one is that mouse is the thinner or thinnest I have ever seen. Mount Everest is the higher or highest mountain in the world. My brother is happy or happiest than me. Samantha is the prettier or prettiest girl that Paul has ever met. The map we printed out is simpler or simplest than the one provided at the park. That test is more important or most important than playing video games. So keeping in mind this video lesson, fill this worksheet in your notebooks. I hope this lesson will be too much helpful for your studies. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.